Sir Isaac Newton was an English scientist born on December 25th, 1642. He's often considered to be one of the greatest and most influential scientists that ever lived. Newton's first law of motion, or the law of inertia, states every object continues in a state of rest or in a state of motion in a straight line at a constant speed unless it is compelled to change the state by forces exerted upon it. The definition of inertia states the property of matter by which it retains the state of rest or its velocity along a straight line, so long as it is not acted upon by an external force. For this experiment, you'll need several easy-to-find materials. First, you'll either need a glass or a cup. Then, fill this cup up with water. You will also need a small piece of cardboard. And finally, you will need 1 penny. The concept will be demonstrated by putting the penny on top of the cardboard and placing the cardboard atop the glass of water. Then when you push or pull the cardboard out from underneath the penny will drop into the cup filled with water, thus showing a perfect example of Newton's first law, or the law of inertia. The reason it does that is because the card is acted upon, but the penny is barely even acted upon, barely even touched, so it drops down into the water. Newton's first law, also known as the law of inertia, states every object continues in a state of rest or in a state of motion in a straight line at a constant speed unless it is compelled to change the state by forces exerted upon it. What you just saw was the piece of cardboard over the glass with the penny on top. When you take the cardboard off, the penny stays there, drops down into the water, and you have a perfect example of Newton's first law, or the law of inertia.